Okay guys, this is the last time you'll see me in this car, because disorienting. I just traded in the car last night for a 2009 Ford Fusion, just because this car is burning too much oil, and I fixed it up from pretty much dead. And I don't know, I want to, but it's way too much work for me to tear apart the engine all the way down to do the piston rings, which are what are bad, and since I need the car every day. So I went to get the car that I just bought full detailed, because it had literally just gotten on the lot pretty much, and they hadn't detailed anything on it at all yet. So in the meantime, they actually let me take my old car, since I still had it and I needed to take a few parts out of it, like the blue dome light that I had in there and the license plate frame that I had from Kicker. They let me take that all off, and I suppose a reveal video will be coming shortly. I'll probably reveal it at the end of this video. But yeah, so we're going on a final drive with this baby. They let me take it since it's going to take about 2 hours to detail, and so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to take this car for a final drive, and I'll go back to them and wait for it to be done. So, see you guys when I get this started. Alright guys, just take one final drive down by the river. She seems to love doing that, because I don't know what they're going to do with it. They'll probably, I guarantee you they're going to sell it, because this thing is only worth about 150 scrap. It still runs, drives, shifts nicely. So I'm thinking they're gonna sell it, because they gave me $500 on trade-in. That's almost what it's worth, just outright, in my opinion. That's what I was actually trying to sell it for on Craigslist. So I'm okay with them giving me that. Oh shit. Kind of hard to vlog and drive at the same time. Mighty Mississippi, finally unfrozen. So yeah guys, that's what we got. think 65 is fast enough for this area, don't you think? Sorry about the wind noise, but here she is. 2009 Ford Fusion. I know, not that big of a deal, but even though that thing's coming off, can't stand dealership badges. But hey, if you guys want a nice Ford, that's a 15 Ford. HastingsAutos.com. Check them out. Pearl white, all the options, leather interior, heated seats, sink, everything.